on strike, surely.
Absolutely. He's got to do whatever it takes to get Dhoni on strike.
There might be two here, darting around in the deep. Oh, there's a misfield, but Dhoni does not want to come back for the second. He wants the strike.
How's that for confidence? Dhoni has knocked him back twice there.
Well, it's all down to Dhoni, isn't it? 4 balls left. There's the misfield. Hasn't been David Warner's best night in the field. He didn't cost his side any runs there. It's all come down to this man. Mackay has been bowling good Yorkers. And he's gone down the ground. I think it's massive. He has cleared it. That is a phenomenal hit from Dhoni. Maybe he's timed it to perfection.
Unbelievable cricket. Really unbelievable. It needed a Yorker. It wasn't a Yorker. He is so powerful in the arms, and that one has gone to the long boundary down the ground. Now that has changed things.
Well, that is huge. You can't explain how big that is. That's probably the biggest boundary in Australia there. And he's cleared it comfortably when he needed 12 or 4 balls. And he laid back. All his weight was on the back foot, and Clint Mackay could not believe how pure that stroke was. Oh, yes it is. Oh no, he's out. It's a no ball though. They're coming back for 2. It's all happening at the Adelaide Oval. No ball on height. It was a full toss, too high above the waist. That's why the arm is out. Shots. He just has the ultimate confidence. Turns it round. There's going to be 2. It might even be 4. Dave Warner's chasing after it. Flicks it in, but they'll run 3, won't they? And that's victory to India. 2 balls remaining. That is a phenomenal run chaser. Well played, India. Well played, the skipper.
Yeah, he's one of the great players in pressure situations. There's no doubt about that. The whole Indian team coming out onto the ground. They know their captain absolutely relishes situations like this.